If you can count on anything in business, it's change. And to stay competitive, you need to keep up with new developments. One area of ongoing change is in regulations, a subject that most businesses dread. But sometimes there's good news. For instance, now it's permissible to eliminate credit card fees while offering a cash discount to your customers. Got your attention, right? The ProcessEZ Cash Discount Program was created to provide an easy way for merchants to offset most of the costs associated with credit card acceptance. Our solution allows you to keep 100% of your sales revenue. Through research, we've discovered that many customers pay for a broad array of products and services and agree to an additional service charge for using a credit card as opposed to cash. Well, ProcessEZ uses the same concept, except the software does all of the calculations automatically and seamlessly, without any disruption to your sales process. Here's how it works. First, speak with one of our representatives to select your plan and equipment. The setup is quick, the pricing is simple, and there are no hidden fees. You will then receive the technology, signage, training, and support to implement the ProcessEZ Cash Discount Program. The software will automatically calculate the service fees, which are then added to the customer's bill and fully transparent. If the customer chooses to pay with cash, then the service fee is waived. Each day, our system applies the collected service fee towards the processing fees for that month. The total sales amount is then deposited into your bank account the next business day. And at the end of the month, you get a simple statement that carries a savings of 90 to 95% over traditional card processing fees. Now's your chance to partner with a company that helps you to take advantage of new financial regulations and save on card processing fees. Call us or click the link below to get started today.